Okay, guys, example number 2. It says an arrow is shot upward with an initial speed of 34.3 meters per second. When will it be at a height of 49 meters? Now, guys, if I give you one like this on the test, I'm going to give you this formula. But this formula is for gravity. If I throw a ball up, right, it's going to go up. It's going to slow down until it gets to the top, and then gravity's going to pull it back down. Okay? That's why you'll see this is the constant for gravity. I'm sorry. Right there, negative 4.9. This is in meters. I think you guys did feet in Miss Murphy's class, and it was something like 16 t squared when you use this one, minus 16 t squared. Okay? But look, here's what we've got. We've got height, the height we're looking for, right? We've got t, which equals time in seconds, okay? And we've got r, which equals rate. Well, let's just plug in what we know. All right? We want to know at what point, at what time, the arrow is 49 meters high, right? I don't need the meters. So I'm going to replace h with 49. What am I going to replace r with? 34.3 meters per second, because that's a rate. I replace rate r with the rate that they gave us. And then we don't know t. That's what they're asking us. They're saying when, question mark. So we don't know what the t equals. We're going to use the quadratic formula to find out. Okay? Minus 4.9 t squared. Now, what do I need to do first, Eric?
Minus the 49.
No. You're exactly right. But you know what? I don't want to minus the 49. And the reason is because this one is negative. I want the number in front of the t squared to be positive. So instead of moving everything to that side, I'm going to move it to the left. I'm going to add 4.9 t squared. 0.9 t squared. So then I'm going to get 4.9 t squared plus 49 is equal to 34.3 t. Now the 34.3 t is going to be negative when I move it to the other side, right? I'm going to subtract it from both sides, right? And I'm going to get 4.9 t squared minus 34.3 t plus 49 is equal to 0. Jack, what do I do from here? Of course I do, because I look at the t squared and there's not a 1 in front of it. So I'm going to use quadratic. What does the a equal, Alfredo? 4.9. CC, what does the b equal? Negative 34.3. Negative. There we go. What's the c equal, Ian? 49. Good. Edward, what's the quadratic formula?
Negative b.
Mm-hmm.
Plus or minus.
Plus or minus.
Square root of
B squared.
minus 4ac.
Yep.
Over 2a.
Hey, review that. You need to know how to spell it like Edward. All right? Now, let me put my parentheses in here. B squared minus 4 parentheses, parentheses, all over 2 parentheses. Okay? Let's see. B is negative 34.3. Negative 34.3. I'm going to need your calculators, guys. A is 4.9 and 4.9. And then C is 49. Okay, now give me a moment. I'll ask you in a minute. This is positive 34.3 plus or minus the square root. Someone give me that. 34.3 squared. Wait, I'll call on you. Thank you very much. Alfredo? 0.49. Good. The next one, is it going to be minus or plus? It's going to be minus. And what is 49 times 4.9 times 4? Eric? 960.8? 0.4. Thank you. 0.4. All over, that's 9.8 down there, isn't it? Okay. So then I'm going to get 34.3 plus or minus the square root. Raise your hand. Tell me what I get underneath that square root. Max? 216.09 all over 9.8. Okay, good. So now I'm going to get 34.3 plus something over 9.8 and 34.3 minus something over